At first, take me salam. Assalamu alaikum. I am really thankful to my instructor, Engineer Mohammad Naim sir. Dear audience, this is MD 𝗙𝗲𝗋. Actually, I am not a good speaker, but I will try to say something on my selected topic. Today's selected topic is process diagram. The given process diagram provides information about the process of making sugar from sugar canes. 7 steps are followed to make sugar from sugar cane, and 7 steps are followed to make sugar from sugar canes, and 7 steps are growing, harvesting, crushing, purifying, heating, separating, drying and cooling. It is seen from the given process diagram. Firstly, sugar canes are cultivated from 12 to 80 months. After that, sugar canes are harvested either manually or mechanically. Then harvested sugar canes are by taking on the crusher machine. Then harvested sugar canes are crushed by taking in a crusher machine, and juice is taken and purified in a limestone. Purified juice is taken into evaporator and syrup is made by heat. Finally, separated sugar crystal are drying and cooled. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.